Good morning, everybody. The title of our paper is Comparative Evaluation of SMMD Values of Popular Social Media Sites, PGF, a high SMMD case. The meaning of the title is for the listed popular social media sites, we have calculated the SMMD values. SMMD values is nothing but social multimedia degree. Now these values identified are made comparative evaluation, and the results of the comparative evaluation said that the PGF, that is People's Governance Forum, is a high SMMD case. Now moving on to the abstract of the paper. In the recent years, many social media applications have been using the content in this social media in a different multimedia forms. Okay. Now for the distribution of this content and social interaction also, the multimedia content is extensively used. So we call it as social multimedia. Now, the major trend in the current studies on social multimedia is using the social media sites as a source of huge amount of data for solving the various problems. Now, the wisdom of the social multimedia is usage of these multimedia elements. That means how good the multimedia elements are being used indicates the wisdom of this multimedia. A few multimedia websites along with the PGF website, PGF is People's Governance Forum website, are considered here for the evaluation of the SMMD degree or value. Okay, you will be wondering like what PGF is. PGF is a People Governance Forum which has been established in 2017 without any iota of the personal benefit and with a good cause of shouldering the national responsibility of disseminating the national integration among the students. Okay, and providing the basic awareness of how to use the internet positively. And finally, the last point, that is evaluation perspective of social multimedia degree is done in the form of a table, okay, for some social media applications, and through that we have observed that PGF is having the highest SMMD. The keywords of this paper: web intelligence, social media, multimedia, and social multimedia. SMMD degree, because we are calculating it, the PGF which we are focusing on, and FCS GOT. The main reason behind the evolution of this PGF web page or website is FCS GOT. F is fake and C is cheating, S is sedition. Government of Telangana. Now I have divided this paper into some sections like introduction, motivation and related work, PGF website, applications, comparative evaluation of SMMD on popular social multimedia sites, content analysis of the answers by the students on SMI queries, conclusion, references. Now moving on to introduction. This introduction contains again some parts. Social media, like we already know how social media is vital component of the web intelligence platform, and the multimedia contents are the major constituents of the social media. As we already know, social media used for content creation, generation, distribution, and even communication. Now present scenario, this multimedia is becoming the combination of contents. Like there are many contents which we have been using: text, image, color, audio, video, graphics, animation, etc. Now using these the social media use these multimedia contents in order to provide the high impact on the information, why to grab the attention of the users for the effective communication. Okay, next, the elements of multimedia, if we consider, uh, like already I have just listed out, like here there's some pictures, the dazzling pictures, animations, sounds, video clips, some raw text maybe. Next, videos, graphics, GIFs, visual effects, etc. There are many ways of using all these contents in the social media. But next, the social multimedia degree evaluation. Now, what is the initiative for multimedia degree evaluation is on the social media and websites. This indicates actually the intelligence of that particular website. Okay, we have been working on these diverse areas of multimedia technology. In this paper, we provided a comprehensive view on the usage of multimedia data available over the social media. We also provided the details of the PGF website also. Now here this is the some part regarding the PGF website. PGF website is developed with the intention of inculcating some national integrity among the students. That was the main reason. The PGF through social multimedia is being campaigned. The motivation of this paper is to campaign this PGF through social multimedia and compare it with social multimedia usage of some other prominent social media. That is the main intention. Next, PGF website is established in 2017. Okay, and the founder of it is Dr. K. Chandrasekharaya. He is a professor from JNTU University. It is a awareness creation remedial form. Okay, it is established with in association with PACE Foundation. The main goal actually here of PGF is to sensitize the stakeholders of the government and non-government organizations, such as those related to academics. Okay, and promoting the values. Okay, and it is actually initially the first picture is it is in the form of a web page. Later this indicate this involved or this has evolved particularly as a remedy for, as I have already told you, FGOT and CGOT. Later the website has been developed, and this website contains some menus, new menus which are being still under construction, like background discoveries, functional approach, message bulletin, development milestones, recoveries, etc. Now the manifesto of PGF is also been included in this paper. There are some points which indicates the manifesto of PGF website, like imparting patriotism in students, providing guidance and training on cyber ethics, taking leading initiatives for university level academic reforms. Next, for policing reforms in Telangana government. Next, for judicial reforms in Telangana government, for as a remedial approach, okay, towards non-fintech cyber crimes. It's preventing the recurrence of cyber crimes in academic institutions. Next, identifying the measures to be taken to sensitize the academics against its cyber criminal setting. Next, compelling universities and academic institutions to provide national civic education. Such are there are such important points in the manifesto. Next, moving on to the applications, that is websites considered, we have considered all these: Wikipedia, Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, WhatsApp, Blogger, Telegram, LinkedIn, Pinterest, and PGF. Then the elements which we have taken as a columns in the table is text, images, audio, video, and graphics. Now this is the table which shows the, like in the top part we have website, text, images, audio, video, graphics, and here in the last it is SMMD, and as a rows we have included these Facebook, YouTube, Wikipedia, Instagram, all the other social media applications. Okay, and if it is having such a multimedia in that particular website, it says yes, and if it is not included, it says no. And this at last the some aggregation of all these s and no together. That is the number of s in the row indicates the value of the SMMD in the last column. Along with this, one more selection included in the paper is mm, content analysis of the answers by the students on some SMI queries. The major intention is focus on MIC generation, and this is the for achieving the trying to study the SMI, that is social media intelligence for the students. And some questions were given to them on SMI, and the content analysis of the answers is done. And after making this analysis, we found that the SMI among the students is impressive. And finally, the conclusion. Now, here in this paper, the conclusion is simply saying that after the comparative evaluation is made on SMMD values in these websites, SMMD is very significant in a social media campaign. Now here PGF also achieved an SMMD value of 5, which is the highest as we have noticed. SMMD value is high is utilized, okay, for the awareness generation among the stakeholders of academics, such as students, teachers, academic authorities in JNTUH environment, and promoting national integration, academic ethics, respect for constitution, national consciousness, okay. And this work has been undertaken justly for the national cause without any iota of personal benefit. Thank you.